Huh?
Open screen door.
Just wait.
Okay, you ready? Yeah. So this is where you're gonna plant cilantro. Okay. This dirt is too weak. Right? Only four. 4 seconds.
Wait a minute, the cilantro?
Yeah.
Okay. In the fridge?
Over there.
Okay.
What you doing?
Sorry, Dad.
Okay. Where's the other stuff?
Oh, the other thing? You want that too?
Yeah.
Okay. Just wait a second, guys.
No, that's okay, boy.
You sure?
Yeah.
I got it right here in my hand.
No, just leave it back there.
Okay.
You know what you're doing, right? Pause. 1
Yeah.
second, right? So this is one part here. Come closer. Right?
Sorry. Can't get closer. Thanks.
Alright. So this is how many cilantro here.
I have no idea. But I have to be careful with the phone. Make sure I don't hit it.
Okay, pause it.
Okay.
It's the first time
Yeah.
I plant cilantro. Go and try. This is my favorite food. 1.
You mean your favorite thing to cook with? Is that how you're supposed to plant the cilantro?
Yeah. I don't know. You don't have to. Just common sense, right?
Common sense?
Yeah.
How's that common sense?
Okay. You see that? 1. See there? This one. Wash it.
Okay.
One more. Okay, how many pieces do you see? So after next week,
Yeah.
then you're gonna
Plant them?
You got it?
Yep. I got it. Make sure you talk loud.
Make a hole here, like there, right?
Can I help?
Make a hole here.
Can I help?
Make a hole here. See there?
And then you're supposed to water it?
Yeah.
How many times?
I don't know.
So we have to look on YouTube?
Maybe twice. Yeah, look at YouTube.
Do you want me to do it right now?
No. See, this is what about cilantro? You gotta cut it with the scissors, right? When you want cilantro. Okay. Let's see how this goes. I hope it's gonna grow. How's that? Alright?
Dad, just water a little, I think.
How's that?
Good.
That's my cilantro.
That's pretty good.
Okay, this is my cilantro. You're gonna wait for another week, right?
Yeah. Right now it's smelling good.
You can smell it.